So I just wanted to go through swapping out my wireless controller, irrigation controller, for another one. I'm switching to a Wyse unit. So this is what I did. So this unit is a rain machine, the HD8 version I think it is. It's no longer sold. It's end of life, and I don't know what happened. The power supply got zapped, and then only the first zone switches on and doesn't switch off, and none of the others seem to work. So unfortunately I have to replace this. So this was like $129 in 2015 or 16 I think it was when I purchased it. So I was looking for something that I could replace, so I got a Wyse unit, and it's pretty much the same. So it has power. You could plug in where my thumb is. You could also plug it in here with the supplied power adapter. It also have 8 zones and common on either end, right? And an M, if you look over here, it's for master, and there's a reset button in the back. So the model number of this unit is WSPRK1, and the input is 24 volts, 800 milliamps, which is similar to this unit. So the only problem I have is that I didn't know what size it was. So I was hoping to mount it this way in my waterproof box, but it's not going to fit. So I have to mount it this way instead, where it will barely fit. So it's going to be a little snug in there. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of these wires so I know which one goes where, and then hook them up here. And I also have the bracket, which is this one over here. This bracket, which I need to mount. So it's going to have to go this way with 2 screws, and then you hang it here and then clip it on here, right? Something like you would find in a vertical blind. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. So I was able to successfully wire it. I wasn't able to attach it as yet because there's an issue with space. The power brick is a bit too large, so but otherwise it's functional. As you can see, zone 5 is running. It's pretty cool, doing everything I wanted to do. So yeah, with regards to setting up, there's a monitoring plus. You need to log in on the, I'll show you a picture of it, and that allows you to get monitoring, like smart monitoring. So if it knows there's rain in this area, it will stop the watering or control it. And that's normally at $10 a year, but for the first year you get it free with a code that comes in with the box. So just keep that in mind. It's a bit convoluted to sign up. You have to sign up under the services, I think it is, and from there you need to log in, and there you need to click on redeem on the left hand side, and that will allow you to redeem your code and get the 1 year. And then from there you have to go into the app, and then you have to activate the code, the service, and then you'll be able to unlock all the features in the app. So that's it for this. So far it seems to be pretty cool, working fine for half the price of the old controller I had. So it's definitely a good deal. The only thing is there's a subscription if you want the extra features. You don't have to, but it's probably a good idea. It's $10 a year. So if this helps you, like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Thanks.